All right, so surface area. So you guys have figured out how to find the area of a two-dimensional shape where might be just one side of something or maybe just a piece of paper. But when we talk about surface area, we're talking about the area of a three-dimensional object that has multiple sides. And when we say surface area, we mean the surface of every single side all added together. So this is a box, and I forget what came in this box, but if I needed to do something with this where I needed to know how much area was on it. So say I was going to wrap this as a present. I need to know how much wrapping paper do I need to wrap this entire box. Just knowing one side doesn't help me. I need to know the total surface area that I'm going to cover with wrapping paper. So let me show you how we do this. We need to find the area of each side. So you guys know how to find area. You already know how to do it. It's no big deal. So I already went and measured this, and the front of this box is 19 by 11. So I just multiplied 19 times 11, got 209. Easy. Then I'm going to go to the back. Now what's nice about this is that the back is equal to the front. It's the exact same size. So I can just write down that the area is 209 inches squared. It's the same on the front and the back. So let me go to the top. So it has the same length as the front and the back, but then it has a different side. So it's 19 inches by 4.5 inches, and 4.5 is the same as 4.5, so I changed it to 4.5 because I think that's easier to multiply. So 19 times 4.5 equals 85.5 inches squared. So that's the area of the top. So then we have the area of the bottom, which is equal to the area of the top. So I just wrote in 85.5. Now let's look at the left side. 4.5 by 11. 4.5 times 11 equals 49.5 inches. And what do you know? The right side is the same as the left side. So I just put in 49.5 inches squared. So I now know the area of all the different sides, but that just gives me the area of the separate sides. If I want to know the total surface area, then I need to add these all together. I need to add 209 plus 209 plus 89.5 plus 89.5 plus 49.5 plus 49.5 will give us the total area. Now there's another way to visualize surface area, and that is that even though this is a box can be unfolded and laid flat. So let me do that here, if I can. And if we unfold this box, you can see that we still have all our sides. They're just laid flat on the table. This is called a net. So when you take a three-dimensional object and you unfold it and you lay it flat, it's called a net. So I still have my front and my back, my top and my bottom, and my left and my right sides. And so I could look at the surface area this way, that this is one area that's 4.5 times 19. This is another area that's 19 by 11, and so on and so forth, and I can get all my totals and I can add them together. So there's different ways to visualize a three-dimensional object. We can see it as a shape that's put all together, or we can lay it flat as a net. Now I want you to come over here and take a look at my math, the way I added this up. So to find the total surface area, just to keep myself organized, I labeled the front and the back and put the same amounts, and then I labeled the top and the bottom, the left and the right, and then I added those all up together to get 688 inches squared. It's very helpful to add these labels over here because then you can keep track of what the area of each side is and make sure you don't add anything too many times. So anyway, I hope that helps you understand a little bit better about how to find the surface area of an object, and also how we can visualize the surface area in different ways, not only as a flat net, but also as a three-dimensional box, which is called a rectangular prism. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed.